To begin, restart your computer. This step is crucial to ensure proper functioning. After the restart, attempt to launch the game. If it doesn't start, proceed to the next step. Try running the game as an administrator directly from the game's installation folder. For Steam users, right-click on the game, select Manage, then Browse Local Files to access the installation folder. Navigate to the appropriate subfolders to find the game's executable file and run it. Epic Games Store users should locate the games folder in the installation directory, typically found in the Program Files or Program Files x86 directory. Access the game's executable file and run it. If running as an administrator doesn't work, try changing compatibility settings. Right-click on the game's executable, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and try different compatibility modes such as Windows 8 or Windows 7. If the game still fails to launch, consider disabling full-screen optimizations in the compatibility settings. For Epic Games Store users, create a shortcut for the game's executable file and add Epic Portal at the end of the target path. This step is specific to Epic Games Store users. Disable simultaneous multithreading, SMT, or hyperthreading in your system BIOS temporarily while playing the game. Remember to re-enable it afterward. Verify the integrity of the game files through Steam or Epic Games Launcher to ensure no corrupted files are causing issues. Perform a clean installation of your graphics driver. Visit the respective website, NVIDIA or AMD, to download and install the latest driver for your graphics card. For laptops with dual graphics cards, ensure the game runs on the dedicated GPU. Access the graphics settings in Windows, browse to the game's executable, and set it to use high performance. Install the necessary Visual C++ redistributable files from the provided link on the Microsoft website. Add the game's executable file to your antivirus program's whitelist to prevent it from being blocked. Experiment with different launch options like DX11 or DX12 to see if they resolve the issue. If nothing else works, consider deleting the game's save files, but be aware that this will reset your progress. Ensure your operating system is up to date by installing the latest Windows updates. If the game launches but experiences performance issues, adjust graphics settings, switch to windowed mode, and lower resolution for better performance. Disconnect external devices and close unnecessary background applications to free up system resources. Perform a clean boot by disabling non-Microsoft services in the system configuration settings to troubleshoot conflicts. Increase virtual memory allocation to improve system performance during gameplay. Update your system BIOS to the latest version available from your computer manufacturer's website. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the game, ensuring it's installed on the primary drive.